Some of my advice would be, think about it like a baseball game. Stop trying to hit a home run with every ad or social post. Start spraying some singles around. Take a walk or two. Get a few runners on base. And then when you do have something that clicks a little bit more, the impact of that is going to be so much bigger. But just think about, in baseball terms, shortening your swing a little bit. Just get in the habit of being more consistent rather than constantly trying to drop bombs. The biggest sale of the year, the greatest event of, of our business, the blowout sale today only. Hurry, rush, act now. And people don't want to hear that. They want to be ready when they're ready. Just be more consistent about it, and I think you'll find that you're going to have more consistent results.